Hey, it's Holly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be shopping at Furniture with a Heart. Believe it or not, they do have some clothes here. I'm going to check it out. The last time I scored like 3 bags of clothes for 15 bucks, so that was pretty good. I'm hoping to find some good deals, some good scores. Hopefully it's not too picked over. This store has furniture, obviously, and some clothes. There's the store. We're going to go in there and check it out. See what we can find. I did successfully get 2 bags of clothes for $10. $10. I got all of these clothes. I'm going to show you what I got. This shirt, I picked it up because it's brand new. Has the tag on it. It's Liz Claiborne. This was a $30 shirt. It's button up. It's white. Pretty standard for dressing up. So that was a yes. I grabbed this little shirt. It's a size small. I believe this would actually fit my daughter. This is Arizona jeans. Fits in the bag nicely. Like I said, stuff a bag for $5, so why not? Grab these jeans. These are men's Levi's acid wash. These are the 550 with the orange label. This was a definite yes. No damage, and these will sell nicely. I'm just gonna burn through these guys. This shirt I grabbed for my daughter as well. It's brand new. It's a hoodie, and she likes this oversized type stuff right now. She's 9. And this, I believe, is Arizona as well. No, Aeropostale. So that was yes. If she doesn't like it, then I'll sell it. These were brand new. I always try to pick up things if they still have the tag because it's easier to sell. These are a dress pant. Liz Claiborne, size large. It says it was $72. So threw that in there. And yes, I stuffed the bag. They're probably like, what the heck? All right, this shirt is a workout tank from Macy's, size medium with the tag. Has the built-in sport bra to say girl material. Okay, I was gonna butcher that. So that was a yes. Skirt. This is a pencil skirt. It's like a metallic type finish on there. Again, tags. This one is made by Rena Rowan. I thought that was cute. Absolute yes. This one, another pencil skirt. This one's from Express. I thought this was nice, of course. Too small for me. This was $59.90. And their prices are pretty high at this thrift store. This would have been $9. American Eagle. Any rip type jeans I always try to pick up because they always sell. And this even has like the rip bottom. So those are nice. Threw those in there. These I picked up because they were new and they're just like a lounge pant. Has tags. True Fit. Not really sure about this brand, but it might fit my little girl. Picked this up because we are in the summer season, spring, summer. This is actually from Carnival Cruise Line. I just like the color, and that was definitely a cute shirt. This is a fun little shirt. See the bottom? Kind of fringy. What would you say? Roughly? Ruffle-y? Knitted and knotted. I've never heard of this brand. It's a size small. I just thought that was adorable. The sleeves even match the bottom, so I definitely picked that up. That'd be really cute with like some holy jeans. This is another Liz Claiborne, size large. They were just putting this stuff out. $30, brand new with tag. Pick that up. No stains, no damage. If you hear whining in the background, it is my puppy. Market and Spruce. This is a size small. See the bottom, how it tears? It's longer in the back. Again, tags. So that was a yes. Picked up this skirt, or sorry, dress, not a skirt. This is a size 14 for kids. Looks like Faded Glory. But, you know, it has the tags on it. I thought it was really adorable. I might sell that on Marketplace. That would be a good Marketplace item. This shirt I picked up for my daughter. See the back? Very cute. I picked up this because it has the tags on it. This has shoulder pads. It's called Danny and Nicole from New York. Like I said, tags. Yeah, that's it. Not for everyone, but this is a long dress. But not, I mean, you know, someone would definitely want that. I grabbed this because I just like this type of shirt. This is actually a fleece flannel for just, you know, hanging out by the campfire, outside. I think my daughter would be able to wear that. So some keepers, some sell. I grabbed these Tommy Hilfiger shorts since we are going into the summer. That would be an easy sale. One last item. These are American Eagle stretch pants with that metallic shimmer. And yeah, you know, I threw that in there because I think that'll be an easy sale. Size 4. Thanks so much for joining me in this video. Again, this is Holly with Thrifty Treasure. You are in my studio right now, in my basement. Yeah, see? My backdrop, and then I actually put up this wallpaper. It's kind of cool. It's like this mural wallpaper that I bought at the thrift store for like 20 bucks. And I think it's pretty cool to take pictures and things like that. So you guys can do this. I bought both those bags for 10 bucks. You know, I'm working out of my basement. You can do better at this job than most office jobs. So let that be a word of encouragement. Thank you so much again for joining me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please hit the like button and hit that notification bell for those future updates. Thanks again.